Good morning to all of you and good morning from me too. Today we are here to help you learn and today we will learn about food. Okay, now what is food? I think no one knew the answer. Let me tell you, anything we eat or drink is called food. And some of the examples are chicken, rice, milk, candy, chocolate. There are two types of foods, junk and healthy food. Like I have shown the examples on the screen. Chocolate, chips, candy, fizzy drinks, burgers, pizza are examples of junk food. Vegetables, fruits, milk, meat, eggs, cheese are of some examples of healthy food. Some are come from animals and from plants. Let me share some of the names. Eggs, meat, fish, cheese are come from animals. Vegetable, rice, wheat, fruits come from plants. Let me share a video with you. Food. We need food to stay strong and healthy. Eating healthy food helps us to grow. Some foods are grown such as vegetables and fruits. Some foods come from animals such as meat and eggs. Fun time! Let's do a fun activity to see how much you have understood. Click next to continue. Sort the food items. Click the food item and drag it to the correct box. Put the food which are come from food. That's correct. Well done. 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 I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you soon.